Assalamu alaikum, hello everybody. How are you? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a new topic. That topic is got from part 3. Please watch my full video and follow us on my channel. And that's why you will be able to see all the content while I'll publish my every single content into my channel. So please stay tuned with me. This is time for let's beginning. This is high time from let's start it. So please stay tuned with me. And now I will showing it to you step by step. I got from part 3 because they got her right now. They are eating some kind of grass. Please stay down with me. Do you know what is the name of these animals? Do you know? Oh my goodness, do you know? Anyone can say what is the name of this god? Do you know what is the name of this god? This is name is a god, and this is our crunchy animals. This is our homemade animal. This is not called a foreign animal. Can you believe this? This is called a god. This is like outstanding, and this is called a god. This is not almost black, and this is not almost white. That's why this is called a brown cloud god. And the gods are right now eating. The gods are eating of this green grass. This is the eating scenario in this god. They are now eating some kind of grass. This is called a green grass, and this grass is our favorite food. That's why they are eating with some kind of taste into this field. And this is look like a big and massive field here, and this look like an amazing scenario. And this look like a farming at this evening time. That's why I'm presenting this kind of content, and this content will be very helpful for your daily life. Speaking English, and now I will showing with you the gods are going to their house because they will crept at night into this house. This is called a rot house. They will crept at night into this house. Thank you. This time is yellow because this is time for evening and this is time for 5 p.m. That's why they are enjoying. Thank you everyone for watching my video because the day is already over. The day is already over. Thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't wait to be short time. Please watch my video. Please sit down with me. Assalamu alaikum.